In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a contractor on Gusto Payroll. Start by signing into your Gusto account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. Click People and then select Hire and Onboarding. This area is where you bring new team members into your account and guide them through the setup process. Next, click Hire or Add Person. This opens the form where you will enter the contractor's basic information. Begin by typing their first name, middle initial, and last name. If the person uses a different preferred first name, you can add that as well. Adding a preferred name is helpful because it keeps your records accurate while still showing the name they actually use day to day. After you enter the name details, you will choose the work type. Select Contractor, since you are adding someone who will be paid as an independent contractor rather than an employee. Then click Next to move forward. On the next screen, you will fill in a few more details. Enter the contractor's business type and then add their personal email address. Use an email address that the contractor can access easily, since this is typically where onboarding messages and important account prompts are sent. Take a moment to double-check spelling here, because an incorrect email can delay the contractor's ability to complete setup. Once that is done, navigate to Hiring and then click Compensation. This is where you define how the contractor will be categorized and how pay information is set up. Select a job title that matches the work they will be doing. Then choose the labor market and the industry. These fields help Gusto align the role with standard compensation information, which can be useful for consistency and reporting. After you have made those selections, you will be able to see the annual and hourly figures displayed. This gives you a quick view of the pay context tied to the role. Review these values carefully so you understand what is being shown, especially if you plan to pay the contractor hourly or want to reference market compensation while setting your pay terms. At this point, the contractor has been added with the key onboarding and compensation details entered. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.